Guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. Upon entering this custom built home, it was evident that love, dedication, and the sheer beauty was poured into the very foundation. It is beauty and comfort personified. This 7,500 square feet home sits on 0.74 acres of land. Enjoy the breathtaking view and the salubrious air of nature at its finest each morning at sunrise. Nestled in the cool hills of Stony Hill, you will find this house consisting of 3 bedrooms and 4 bathrooms with separate staff accommodation. For the host with discerning taste, enjoy the beautifully laid out and spacious entertainment area that features an inviting yet strategically placed bar. The avid reader may take advantage of the cozy library. The intricacies of this home may be described for hours, but let me invite you to feast your eyes on the lovely ambiance. Please make contact for additional details. I invite you to view your new home soon. Guys, let's take a look at this house and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is Jamaican 170 million, US 1,077,000, Canadian 1.45 million, Euro 989.7 thousand, or 837.4 thousand pounds. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen, or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.